Now that I've talked to you a bit about the course and the goals it will help you achieve, let me tell you about myself and my credentials for teaching this course. My name is Rob Joya, and I've been teaching on Udemy since September 2017. I've been taking a good look at both positive and constructive feedback from my students, and used those comments to inform some of the decisions I made when making this course. I heard students wanted more thorough explanations, additional hands-on coding exercises, and a deeper understanding of course material. I currently work in New York City as a mobile software engineer, using C# every single day of work. I am super passionate about the C# programming language, and I am thrilled at the opportunity to present you with a course that will teach you the ins and outs of my favorite programming language. During my time working with C# in both the professional and personal capacity, I've used C# to teach students how to program when I worked as a teacher's assistant at the New Jersey Institute of Technology, build virtual reality games to therapy children with convergence insufficiency, an eye disorder, and gamify their treatment, build a lifestyle scratch-to-win mobile app with over 10 million installs. Okay, I'll admit this job also used some Java programming, but C# was still a crucial skill for the job. Develop card trader apps based around high-end intellectual property like Marvel, Disney, and Star Wars. Create Udemy courses that students have used to build full-length video games using Unity and C#. I also took part in the Google interview process during October 2018 and used C# during the phone interview. I continued on in the interview process, but obtained another high-paying job in the process, an opportunity to work on a Marvel Collect app, among other top intellectual property mobile apps. My background has been gaming focused, but I want to emphasize that this is not a game development or Unity course. C# is so powerful, and can be used in so many other capacities, and this course is meant to make you a master of C#, and then teach you how to build all kinds of projects using this powerful programming language. One of the projects at the end of the course is a game in Unity, but the other projects span web development, mobile development, AI programming, machine learning, and working with databases in C#. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in Information Technology from NJIT, the New Jersey Institute of Technology. As a student who never programmed until I got to college, I want to help others looking to enter the tech industry and teach them the techniques I used to learn programming quickly and effectively. That's right. I never wrote a line of code until I went to college. 3.5 years later, I was working as a professional game developer in New York City. It is true that programming takes time to master, but that doesn't mean you have to be perfect or know everything to land a high-paying job. I'm not perfect, and I still don't know everything there is to know about programming. In fact, I've met developers that have been programming for 15 and 20 years, and they aren't perfect and don't know everything. My teaching focuses on conveying the most relevant skills that you can use to build your portfolio and get hands-on, real-world technical experience geared towards landing your dream tech industry job. I am an industry professional who also has teaching experience and a passion for learning and teaching about the latest programming languages and technologies. The topics I enjoy teaching and am very knowledgeable about include computer programming, information technology, game development, and web development. Okay, now that you know about the course goals and about my credentials, let's jump headfirst into the course material. The next section will teach you the fundamentals of computer science.